Hey, Jerome here. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk to you about two tools that are essential when you're serious about starting a business from home, especially if you're 50 to 80, you want to get going quickly, you want some more freedom, you want some more peace of mind. You've got to have these two tools to get started. If you're new here, I'm Jerome in Boise, co-founder or founder of 3 multi-million-dollar businesses, all sold now. And I focus on people 40 to 80. Yes, I have some 80-year-old clients who want to start a business. And we've talked about why do this many times in my previous videos. Essentially, people want more certainty, they want freedom, they want additional income, and they want to make sure they have a backup plan for themselves and their families and their future. So I'm keeping today's video short and sweet. So please grab a notepad or listen in. And we're going to go over the 2 best friends that you can have from a technology standpoint when you start a business. And those 2 things are, number 1, a CRM, a customer relationship management tool. That's number 1. And then number 2 is an email automation marketing platform. They are critical in today's world, today's business, especially running a business by yourself. So let's start first with a CRM. You know, your brain is not a reliable filing cabinet. It gets clouded with all kinds of things that are going on in your life. When things are crazy, when things are busy, it's hard to keep track of all the different people and situations going on as you start a business, especially if you're working right now. You're doing this on top of your regular job that you might have, and so you've got a lot going on. If you're a mom or a dad or a family, you've got all these busy things going on. So you need a way of tracking everything and doing it very simply, and that's what a CRM is for. So business, like life, is about relationships. And your CRM is your relationship building system. So here's what it helps you do. Number 1, store contact information and notes. It keeps all your emails for those particular contacts. It sets reminders for follow-ups. It tracks conversations and deals and progress. It helps you stay consistent so nobody feels forgotten. Boy, is that so important. You know, it's recognition and appreciation is the number 1 thing that we all want and that we all need in life and in business. So who needs this? Anyone who wants repeat income, referrals, and loyal customers. If you want income next month, you've got to start tracking and paying attention to people today. So my recommendation on what to get, I've used many CRMs over the years. My favorite, I still use it today. It's called Less Annoying CRM. And you can try it out for a month and make sure you like it. I've got a free link down below. Tremendous tool. I turned all my clients, all my new business building clients onto Less Annoying CRM. So easy to use. And instead of trying to track dozens and dozens of business cards or ideas or tools for people, you can have it right there in one place. It is so powerful, and it will help you, especially as you're starting a business and you're by yourself and you need that kind of help. So what is the second tool that you need? It is an email marketing platform. Oh my gosh, why do you need that when you start a business? Well, social media can disappear tomorrow, or change your algorithm, or change who they allow in and out. Think about the challenges TikTok has. Think about the changes that Facebook has made the last few years. But your email list, that is your real digital asset. You'll hear it time and time again. I'll say this about my business. Tens of thousands of other entrepreneurs will say this: take away the building, take away the employees, take away everything else. If they have their email list, they can be back up in business tomorrow. That's how important it is. You don't need 10,000 followers. What you need is 100 people or 200 people who open your emails and trust you. So, what does an email marketing platform help you do? Number one, it helps you build a list of potential buyers. Those are called leads. Number two, you can send newsletters, promotions, updates. I was talking with a new client yesterday, helping her understand that as you build your email list, it's almost like an ATM. If you want to put something on sale, if you have a promotion, if you have a new product launch, if you have a new service, you can let everybody know. They can sign up for it. It's like an ATM. It's wonderful. You can also do automated follow-ups and nurture these sequences and stay in touch with all of your customers. And then the most important part for you, like we just talked about, is to help you generate consistent income with little to no overhead. That's the best of all worlds. And remember what I always preach. Please memorize this, write it down. It's so simple. Always focus on the 3 R's when it comes to more income for you and your life and your business. And that is income that, when possible, is remote. Number 2, it's reliable. And number 3, it's recurring. So what should you look for in a CRM? Number 1, most important, very, very easy to use. Number 2, it's got automation capabilities. So you can automatically respond to customers. You can automatically add people to an email campaign who will download a lead magnet that you might have. And you want it to be able to segment your customers, the leads, the people in there by using tabs. So imagine one gigantic database, but that each person in that database has a different tab. They might be a new prospect, a new lead. They might be a customer you've had for a long time. They might be somebody that's purchased from you before. You need to know that. So you can take that into consideration as your new emails go out. So what's my recommendation? Well, I've used a whole bunch of email platforms over the years, and I've been using the same one now for the last 2.5 years, almost 3 years. It's called System.io. System.io. I'll put a link down below. They have a free version. Oh, on the CRM, less annoying CRM, I forgot to tell you, they have a 30-day. Use it, check it out, and then it's $15 a month. It's unbelievably inexpensive. System has a free version to get started. It has the full capability and is free. So it's a great way to get started, easy to use. It does everything from websites to blogs to email automations. It's just a great, great tool that you just have to have, especially in today's world, especially if you want to run a business on your own. So these 2 tools, a CRM and an email marketing platform, they're simple, they're powerful, they're affordable, and honestly, most people who don't have those, they get stuck in hobby mode. And if you want to make a little bit of money or no money, then treat it like a hobby. Whatever you want to share with the world. If you want to make money, you have to move into business mode and have some basic tools that help you. That's the job here, is to help you do more, create more, and make more money. So remember, it really, really is true that the fortune is in the follow-up. And these tools make it really, really easy to follow up. So if this was helpful to you, I sure hope it was. I'll have those links down below for you. And if you are serious about starting your own business, or you want to take an idea, a concept, or a product, or a bunch of products out of your head and get them into the world to make money, then I can help you do that. And the best way is to join my free school that I have, where I give away lots of help. Every other Thursday, I have a wonderful video. I have different courses in there for you, from a simple $67 a month one to an accelerated 2-month and 4-month program that's very serious, has the kind of accountability that you want. So I'll have that link down below for you to my free school. Jump in, be there. I look forward to meeting you. So now, go out and grab these 2 tools, the Less Annoying CRM and also the System.io email marketing platform. Get them. They're free to start, and they're going to give you an idea of the tools that you have here to help your business right now. If you want to make money next month, then you need these kind of tools right there with you. So I'll see you on the inside.